All right, welcome back, guys. So today we are going to be talking about Aqua Wallet, which is one of my preferred Lightning wallets. I've been living down in El Salvador for a little bit now, and I'm going to talk to you a bit about this wallet. I'm going to tell you why I like this wallet personally. We are going to show you how to set it up, how to fund it, and then we're going to take her shopping and we're going to go on the road and put it into a use case scenario and actually spend with it and also receive invoices with it. So stay with me and I'll show you how to do it. All right, so there are many really good Lightning wallets available, like Phoenix Wallet and the Blink, the Bitcoin Beach wallet. But honestly, it's a good idea to have a couple wallets in your phone as a backup. And what I really like about Aqua Wallet is not only is it developed here in El Salvador by Jan 3 and the team of Samson Mao and his team, but it is a self-custodial wallet as well. So once you download it from the App Store, you can actually access your keys, and then you can always regenerate your wallet if you lose your phone. So it's a self-custodial layer 2 wallet because it's working with both Lightning and Liquid, and you can swap between on-chain and into layer 2, and you can also swap into USDT. So if you wanted to hold it in USDT, you could hold your funds in USDT if you so wish. So we understand that the Bitcoin network is the layer 1. It is the base layer, it is on-chain, and it is the most sovereign and has the most security, but also has very high fees and a very slow final settlement. So it takes a long time to finalize. The Lightning Network was the layer 2 and uses payment channels. It has a very fast settlement and very low fees. And also the Liquid Network is a layer 2 as well, and it uses a pegged sidechain, which offers low transaction fees and a very fast settlement. So these layer 2s are perfect for doing micropayments and sending and receiving small amounts of Bitcoin. So these Lightning wallets and these layer 2 wallets are perfect for the job. Let's go over to the App Store. We'll download the app, and it is available on Android or the iPhone. And once we've got it downloaded, we can walk you through it and we'll fund it and then we'll spend some funds out of it. So over in the App Store, you're just going to type in the Aqua Wallet and search for that. And I know Aqua Wallet is on both Android and on the Mac OS system. So you want to select this one, Aqua Wallet, Bitcoin and Layer 2 wallet. You're going to download that. And then once that's downloaded, I'll check back in with you. All right, guys. So Aqua has downloaded. Let's open her up and have a look. So what we want to do, you can either create a wallet or restore a wallet. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new wallet. And depending on your internet speed, will determine how long this takes. All right, so Aqua Wallet has loaded, and this is the interface. So you have the Bitcoin price at the top, you have your receive tab here, you have your send tab there, and then you have your scan option, which accesses your device's camera. But what I want to talk about now is you have your on-chain Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin on-chain, and then you have your spending accounts, which is your layer 2. So your Lightning and your Liquid accounts are on the layer 2. So you can swap from on-chain into layer 2, or you can swap it into Tether, so USDT as well. All right. So what we're going to do is we'll fund this, and we'll get it set up with some Bitcoin in there, and then we'll switch it back to the L2, so we can spend it. But one thing I wanted to bring to your attention is this is the reason I really like Aqua. It's a self-sovereign wallet. So if you go down to settings at the bottom, you can tweak your references here. I personally like dark mode. I'm going to go dark mode. And the very important thing is under advanced settings, it actually says view seed phrase. So when you hit that, you will see a 12-word seed phrase. Write that down and keep that safe. Okay, because if you do misplace your phone, or your phone is damaged in some way, you can still restore your Aqua Wallet using your seed phrase. Okay, so that's a great aspect of the Aqua Wallet. The other thing you want to do is direct peg-in, have that checked. Okay, this is for the Liquid network. And apart from that, just give it a read. I keep it in US dollars. The region we can set, we'll set it up for El Salvador or wherever you might be. And that's pretty much it. So our wallet is set up. We just need to put some funds in there, and we'll go ahead and do that. So you can fund your account with on-chain Bitcoin. You can also fund it with the L2 Lightning, or you can fund it with Tether. So in this example, what I would do is, let's say you bought your Bitcoin on the exchange, then you can send it in to the Bitcoin on-chain here, and you just say receive, and you'd get your Bitcoin address. But for this example, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to send a Lightning payment in, and I'm going to show you how to create an invoice. So it says your liquid Bitcoin transactions will show up here, and I'm going to click receive, and I'm going to set an invoice amount for 55,000 sats, which is pretty much $50. And I'm going to say generate invoice. That'll give me a QR code. And then what I'm going to do with my other Lightning wallet is I'm just going to scan that, which I'm doing off camera, and I'm going to pay into that. So I've just sent that Lightning. It's going to come in, and it'll show up here momentarily. And there it is. Okay, so we've just received the Lightning payment, which I sent from another wallet of mine. So that's coming in. I think it takes 10 minutes to confirm. And then once that's confirmed, we will be able to spend that. But that's how you fund your account. So there's multiple ways to fund on chain, and the L2 option, and also with USDT. So personally, I like the Lightning option because it's the cheapest of all of them. Side note, there is another way you can fund your Aqua Wallet. And at the bottom, if you click Marketplace, you'll see there is an option depending on the region that you're in. I'm in El Salvador. You can have a buy option, and then you can click into that. And then I believe you can pay with credit card. So you can actually buy Bitcoin and have it sent straight into your wallet. All right, so guys, we've got some funds in our wallet. Let's now demonstrate how to actually put this into practice and use it in the real world. All right, guys, so we're going to go spend some sats. We're going to head down to Super Selectos to pick up some goods. But before we do that, we need to go get a bike from the Bitcoin hardware store, which is over there. Yes, so let's head down to the Bitcoin hardware store, talk to Ronnie and the boys, and see what they got.
Hecho en Portugal, algodón. 100% algodón.
All right, hey, Ronnie.
Yo, what's up, Drew?
What's up?
Good to see you, man. Welcome to the Bitcoin hardware store.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, we're just chilling today. I'm actually just explaining to our friend Peter here what we have at the store here. So I was actually going to, we started off with the books. And so I was telling him about the My First Bitcoin Diploma and some of the board games that we carry here at the store, because it's all about education, right? If you're not educated on Bitcoin, then you may not make the right decision. And then obviously the Bitcoin hardware store focuses on self-custody. So we have a whole slew of self-custody hardware wallets. So, you know, some of you might be familiar with the brands. And then we have some seed metal plates for your backing up your seed word, right? Because your Bitcoin seed is the most important thing.
Definitely.
You lose your Bitcoin seed, you lose absolutely everything. And so the store is pretty basic. You know, we focus really just on the foundations of Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin miners as well. So these are non-for-profit Bitcoin miners. We got the BitAxe and the Nerd miner,
Nice.
which are, this is a single chip ASIC miner. And this runs off an ESP32 board. We have nodes. We have graphene phones as well. And then we have some merch.
Graphene phones.
Yeah. We got some merch, El Salvador Bitcoin Beach.
And you also, was that an ATM?
And then we do, yes. We have 2 ATMs. So you can on-ramp, off-ramp here. If you need some cash, you can sell your Bitcoin, which I don't recommend. But you can sell your Bitcoin. You can use Lightning and sell your Bitcoin, exactly. And this is what I recommend. You can buy Bitcoin here. You can buy as little as 5 cents,
I think
and you can use this machine, and it'll give you Lightning right on the spot. So yeah, that's the Bitcoin hardware store. Also, we got bikes as well for
yes,
rent.
sir.
So
That's what I'm actually in the business for.
cool. So if you're in Zante, come check us out. We'll rent you a bike, and you can pay for it in Bitcoin. So
Amazing.
that's what you're here for. Let's check it
Let's
out.
do it.
Yeah. So these are the bikes that we got. We have bikes for beginners. So we have these little scooters, which are 110cc. You can definitely carry up to 2 people on here, and they're great for ripping up and down the coast. If you want something with a little bit more, a little bit more juice, we have these 200cc street bikes and 200cc cross, for getting onto the dirt. So you can choose whichever one you want. Different pricing, but let me know. We'll take a look.
Let's take one, bro.
All right, cool. So you're gonna take the $21 bike.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna set you for 21, and then you can make that payment.
Scan this guy. And let's see how fast we are here, bro.
20,000 sats. Look at that.
20,000 sats.
That's how much we're at these days. That's crazy.
Come on, Samson. There it is. All right, perfecto.
Thank you so
Thanks,
much.
Johnny. All right, see you later, bro. All right, so very important. You have to go in the Bitcoin only line to pay with Bitcoin on Lightning. So you want to make sure that you got the right line, and if it's open, it's open. Buenas. Paga con Bitcoin? Sí, gracias. Lightning. On Lightning, please, yeah. Perfecto. Paying with Bitcoin, bro. And trying to film at the same time. All right, guys. So we just spent $75 and we paid with Bitcoin over the Lightning network. It's easy, living on the Bitcoin standard.